Hello, and welcome to Work Smarter, Not Harder, Retailer 101 and New Brand Meet and Greet. My name is Claire Nash, and I'm a Senior Account Manager at RepSpark. We welcome you to our reoccurring webinar where we dive into enhancing your buying experience. We hold these webinars once a month to help you stay ahead of the curve with our bite-sized videos crafted to deliver valuable information at the speed of your business. Today, we're having a summer review session. We won't be hosting any new brands this month, but today we hope to help you stay ahead of the curve and with a quick review of tips and tricks to navigate emblems, reviewing orders efficiently, and mastering the art of copying orders. Now let's jump into the webinar that we call Retailer 101, and after this short presentation, we will have a live Q&A. We look forward to answering all of your questions.
Today, we will be reviewing orders within RepSpark. As you see, I am logged on to repspark.com. I'm going to go ahead and click log in, and this is my buying account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And as always, if you're not a customer yet, click the sign up button here. So I am immediately directed to what we call our retailer dashboard. So when you log on, you are sent to this retailer dashboard. And if you scroll down, you see my order history. This is a great place to review all of your orders across different brands in one spot. So you can also change the date range from your orders for the past 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and filter by brand. But this is a great reference point to see all of your orders in one place, the status, details, and you can click into each and individual order right here. So we're going to go ahead and now go into an individual brand, which you can use the My Brands tab, or you can search by brand name. I'm going to go ahead and search. And now we're going to review the My Orders tab. So in the My Orders tab, one thing you always want to note is the date range. So in the filters, change the date range from when you want to see all of your orders from. It could be, 1 day, 1 month, 3 months. So for today, I have it filtered to February 1st to March 12th. And then the next most important thing is status. Most of the time when you logged in, your brand might have it to set to draft or all, but today we have our My Orders tab filtered to all and the date range. You can search by many other things in this filter bar, but today this is what we are filtering with. Next, what we're going to notice is the status. So when you see submitted, this means that your order is complete but has not been picked up by the brand. So when you go click on your RepSpark order number, you can review the order, you can download images, you can copy it, you can list your UPCs, but you cannot open the order. Valid. This means that your order is complete and has been picked up by the brand. And that's why you see your cross-reference number. So I am going to click again on the RepSpark number, and you can again review the order, download images, and then we're going to skip down to draft. A draft order is similar to an abandoned cart. When you're shopping on a website and you put a product in your cart and don't complete the purchase, that is similar to a draft. So when you have a draft order in RepSpark, you can come back and finish the order. So as you see, I entered this order back on February 13th. It is for a pre-book order, but I did not finish the order. So what I can do is go in and review the order, enter the cart, I can validate, Most of the time when you do go back to a draft, you have to change, your entry date that you entered the order within the details, but it's a very simple process and you will be given instruction on top of the um, order of what you need to fill out. So anytime you have a draft order, please come back and review your drafts. So this is a quick review of orders. Please let us know if you have any question in the live Q&A coming up. Hello, in today's video, we're going to be reviewing how to duplicate an order in the My Orders tab. As you see, I am logged into a brands page and I'm starting directly in the products page. As we've reviewed in previous videos, you can enter a brand through the community, through their branded landing page, but I have skipped that step and I'm starting directly in the products page. So, and as a reminder, I am logged in as a buyer and I'm going to click the My Orders tab. So I have a few orders that I have placed or my rep has placed for me, and I am going to duplicate it. So I'm going to take this order right here and I can copy it. So the first thing I do is just click copy. And as you see, it immediately copied it, everything in that order. So what I can do is I can just validate and process and it will immediately go through without any edits. So for this one, I'm just going to say validate and process. And it has been placed. So from here, I can print my order confirmation, I can download the images, I can copy the order again or start a new order. But for today, I'm going to go back into the My Orders tab and you see that the order I placed, the assortment order, I copied it right now. But now I'm going to show you another example. So I'm going to go into RepSpark number 6928 and I'm going to again copy it. And there we go. So now I have the copy. So if you look 6928, the PO is fall, and now the PO is fall again too. The name is just copy fall. So what I'm going to do is open this. So I'm going to go into the cart view. And we see the entire order I have placed right here is exactly copied. But let's say I want to change the PO. I can go to enter order details and I can just say fall refill order and save. So now the PO will be updated. And I can also continue shopping. I can add more products. So it's just an easy tool for you to make your life a little bit easier. It looks like this one is now out of stock. Let's make sure everything is in stock so we don't have to split any orders. And again, we can just go ahead and place the order. I'm going to check out, process order. And as usual, I can print my order confirmation. I can download images, or I can just go straight back into the products page, keep shopping, into the community, or into the My Orders tab. So let's just take a quick look before we conclude into the My Orders tabs. I have this is a duplicate. I did adjust the PO and everything has been submitted. So please let us know if you have any questions about copying orders or anything else that has to do with placing an order within RepSpark. Hi, for today's video, we are reviewing tips and tricks for our emblem feature. So I have already logged into RepSpark and selected the brand I'd like to shop with. So let's go ahead and start an order. So all of my information is pre-populated because I am logging in as a buyer. All I have to do is add a PO number. So let's call this test 01 and click save. So as a reminder, you can look at products in the grid view or the list view. If you'd prefer the list view, you can add all of your quantities here and then add click the shopping cart, and these items will be added. For today's example, let's go ahead and use the grid view and add some products by using the small shopping cart. And now let's go ahead and review our products. So if you notice that I now have 4 items in my cart and no quantities. So the first thing I'm going to do is add quantities, and I am going to, if I don't want to manually add it, I can use the copy to feature. So I could copy to all, same class, or selected. It does change on sizing. So if I do all, you see that I automatically filled this next pullover with 5 units, but these items remained empty. So let's go ahead and add the quantity here. And to save time, let's go ahead and copy as well to all. And now those were updated. So just a quick tip to save a little bit of time. So now we're going to add the emblem. So I'm going to add my emblem, and this brand that I'm shopping with has all of these emblems uploaded for me already. If it was a new emblem I wanted to use, I would click New Logo Setup Required. But for today, let's choose Club Emblem 1, and then we're going to click Next. We're going to choose our placement, left chest, next. Colors, let's choose Club Colors, and next. And I could leave a note like new art attached. Anything needed can be added right here. And as well for the art files, I could browse my own computer, upload them. But for today, let's just add the emblem and close. So now if you notice, I need to add emblems for all of the other items. I'm going to go ahead and just update my cart to make sure everything is up to date, and I can use the copy to feature as well. So let me click copy to, and I can do all, same class, or selected. So let's just do all. And as you see, all of the emblems were copied, the same placement, color, cost, everything. This can save time when you have a lot of products within your cart. So now that my cart is filled with quantity and emblems for all products, I can go ahead and check out. So let's go ahead and check out. Here is my review page. I can also, from the review page, check out. I could print. I'm going to go ahead and process my order. And now my RepSpark order is complete and can be seen in the My Orders tab.
Thank you all for joining today. Please use our QR code that you'll see on the screen and leave us feedback about any topics you would like to see in your upcoming webinar. We will stay on if anyone has any questions. We will stay on and hopefully answer a few. But we will also be sending you the recording of today's webinar and instructions how to access additional resources on RepSpark. We have all of our webinar videos on our YouTube channel for quick reference for you and your team. So we'll just wait a quick moment to see if anyone has any questions. But if not, we hope everyone enjoys their summer, and we will see you next month in August. And like I said, please let us know if there's other topics you'd like covered. Use the QR code and you could submit any suggestions, and we would be happy to make a video. So thank you very much. I don't see any questions coming through. I'll wait another couple seconds. But again, we hope you enjoyed our bite-sized tips and tricks. Thank you all so much for joining. Have a great day.